Hello, good morning, all my dear students. How are you all? How's going your studies? I hope your studies going on well. And now, as we were talking about the wind, हम यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं wind poem के बारे में. It's very beautiful poem about the great wind, a strong wind. This poem is written by the Subramanya Bharati in the Tamil language, is a great Tamil poet, the famous for his portraitism in the pre-independence era. And it is this poem "Wind" is written by the Subramanya Bharati, and it is translated from the Tamil into English by the A.K. Ramanujan. So now see the strongness of the wind. Wind comes softly. Don't break the shutter of the windows and don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. The book what you did. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. Wind. The poet is talking to the winds. Wind, a natural phenomena of the air, the power of wind, showing, describes the poem. In this poem, the poet is describing the power of the wind. It is describing in the poem. We people, the poet is talking to the wind. Wind comes softly and slowly. Don't do the destruction on the earth. Don't break the shutter of the windows. The wind is blowing strongly and showing the power of her. He is much strong and he didn't like the weakest people. So the wind break the shutter of the window. She did the many restrictions like the break the shutters of the windows and scatter the papers, and the thing and weak people can't stay in front of the powerful wind, and the wind doing great destruction on the earth, like he break the many lean and thin shutters of the windows and scatters all the paper on the earth description, and give the uh, he's showing his strongly powerful strong and power of the wind. And so poet is saying, don't break these all things, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. Everything becomes dismissed while the wind blow fast with a powerfully. The weak things can't stay in front of that. So look what you did, you throw all them down. Look what you have done, you did great restriction and you threw all the things on the down. You brought rain again, you brought rain again, and you are very clever at poking fun at him, at weaklings. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Weaklings यानी weak person, weak people, and poking fun यानी making fun. You are making the fun, poking the fun. You are giving a you are making joke of them, and you are making fun of the weak peoples, frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives. You are you are making the fun of the weak peoples. The weak peoples should be strong. You have to be strong to survive their life. You have to be strong like the weak woods, weak bodies, weak person, weak lives, weak houses, weak doors, weak rafters can't stay. And weak heart से मतलब है यहाँ a very impure heart. In the face of the adversity, these are the sloping down, these are the making destroy by the air, by the great wind. You are not able to stand in front of the great wind. The wind God winnows. God winnows से मतलब होता है the destruction by the destructive person by the God. It is the adversity in the face of wind. The wind God winnows and crushes them all. The wind is the God's winnow, destructor, destruction करने वाला destructor, and crushes them all, or he crushed the all weak things. And he won't do what you tell them. He won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. So you would not stand what you tell them, tell him. he would he won't do what you tell them. तुमने ये सब what you have done it all. This is the great adversity of the destruction. What you have done, blow very fast and very blow and making them separating, crush them and separate them. So come, let's build strong homes. So we should be strong and build ourselves strong and build a strong buildings. Let's join the doers firmly and let make the doers great strong and make them firmly and practice to form the body and make practice to be strong. Make the heart steadfast, steadfast, yani firm, loyal. Make our hearts very firm and loyal and determinate. Do this and will we be friends with us. Will be when we will be strong, then this wind will be our friend. The winds blow out weak fires. The winds blow out. The wind make the end of the weak things. The wind destroy the all weak things. He makes strong and fire roars and flourish. He want to just make the everything is strong, like strong fires that's roar and flourish. And for worst, that's flourish, that fires grow. His friendship is good. The strong ways is good friend. We praise him every day. We should praise him every day. Thank you. Have a nice day.